Alright guys, here's a ball and here's my cat. Let's see what happens. Take it. Take it. Alright, Mr. Kitty, or should I call you Chicken? Alright, Chicken, you love your ball. We know. Okay, take your ball. Take it. Thank you. I don't want the ball. Take it, I said. Oh my. That's it. Inserting ball. Why? We know that you're blind, but why? Take it. You missed. Kitty, your ball's not there. We know you're blind. We know you can't see. Your ball's not there. Take it. The blind cat is being jump scared. Look at him. He doesn't know where the ball is. Does he? Oh. Come on, cat. You got this, Mr. Blindy. Yeah. Good job, Blindy. Good job, Blindy. Really, an itch break. It's okay. Let me insert it.
He's like, I am the best in the country.
Got this.
The only proper
Spaz out. My
my
blanket. This is my blanket. This is my blanket. Kitty. Okay, you got this. Take the ball. Take the ball. Take the ball. Look at you going to the catnip. What are you doing? Take the ball. That's it. Watch it. Let me go.
Duplicate everything that they're doing. That's a tremendous list that Shrakes put together. You think about it. Ruben Fay's gonna have. I just didn't like the fact that Shrakes, he went Nussmeier, which I get it. Derek Nussmeier being.
What you thought should be a defensive guy?
But Cadillac and this product alone. Don't talk about our quarterback.
Under the couch. It's under the couch. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video.